Hello guys, Jai Hind. Welcome to ESE Online. In this particular video, we will see the most important recruitment PDF uploaded by the DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization, and invites application for the post of scientist. Okay, scientist E, scientist D, and scientist C category in DRDS cadre. So let's see what are most important details uploaded by the DRDO in this important PDF. Here, Scientist E, basic pay rupees 1,23,100 to level 13 as per the 7 CPC. One vacancies is out for Scientist E post, and subject or discipline name is Electronics and Communication Engineering, and here essential qualification and experience is mentioned, and equivalent acceptable subject of essential qualification is also given. So if you want to know about the detail, then go through the official website and where you can find the PDF. Okay, and you can also download the PDF from the description part of this video. So here essential qualification is at least first division bachelor degree in engineering or technology in electronics and communication engineering from a recognized university or equivalent, and minimum 11 years of experience in research and design or development in the field of digital communication engineering required. Okay, desirable is also given. So let's see next post, that is Scientist D, and here basic pay rupees 78,800 to level 12 as per the 7 CPC, and total 7 vacancies are out. One vacancies for computer science and engineering, and here essential qualification and experience mentioned, and equivalent acceptable subject of essential qualification also given. One vacancies is out for aeronautical or aerospace engineering, mechanical engineering, one vacancy. Okay, physics, photonics, optics, and optoelectronics or engineering physics, one vacancies is out, and this is serial number 5. Next is serial number 6, that is chemical engineering. Okay, vacancies, one vacancies for chemical engineering, their equivalent qualification and experience mentioned. Chemical engineering, one vacancy, mechanical engineering, one vacancy, group D, and group C, that is Scientist C, basic pay rupees 67,700 to level 11 as per the 7 CPC. Total 17 vacancies is out. One vacancies for electronics and communication engineering, their qualification and experience mentioned, and equivalent acceptable subject of essential qualification also given. One vacancies for electronics and communication engineering. Next is electronics and communication engineering, one vacancies, and all the important post and their qualification is given. Computer science and engineering, electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, one vacancy, electronics and communication, one, computer science and engineering, one vacancies, two vacancies for electronics and communication, and oceanography or physical oceanography, one vacancies, mathematics and computing, mathematical science, applied mathematics, chemical engineering, one physiology, one electrical engineering, pharmacology, one vacancy. So here all important vacancies, their subject and discipline and educational qualification experience is given. Scientist E, basic pay rupees 1,23,000, level 13 as per 7 CPC. Vacancies for uncadred post in DRDS cadre, one vacancy here for this important subject. Okay, Scientist D, 4 vacancies for their important subject, and level CPC, CTC is also given. Okay, Scientist C for the important subjects, and here all important information are given. As online submission of application should ensure that at first, if you are eligible, if you are interested, then you have to apply for these important vacancies, and the applicant should ensure that they satisfy the eligibility criteria, okay, as per your age, educational qualification, experience as per the last closing date of advertisement, that is 19th of June 2026, 16 hours. Date for determining the eligibility of all candidates in every respect shall be the prescribed the last date of the, that is closing date of the application, that is 19th of June. Okay, and you can register yourself to visit rac.gov.in and fill your all important details, your personal information, your educational qualification. If you are working in state government and public sector undertaking and central government job, then you have to produce your NOC and upload important documents, NOC, caste certificate, your educational qualification certificate. Okay, and you will get SMS or email for the next procedure. Okay, so these are important details. Eligibility, here it is mentioned, academic requirements and weightage of higher qualification will be given based on the following condition. Here for 2 years weightage for graduate qualification in engineering, postgraduate degree in medicine or physiology, 3 years of the weightage, doctorate degree in the engineering, 4 years of weightage. So here all important weightage is also mentioned. Age limit for the candidate as on closing date of the advertisement, that is 19th of June, for scientist D or E not exceeding 45 years, so for scientist C not exceeding 35 years, and as per the union government norms, 5 years relaxation for the SC ST, 3 years for OBC non-creamy layers, and up to 10 years for the Divyang or PWBD candidate. So these are important details given by the DRDO. Maximum age shall be expected 56 years including any of the age relaxation mentioned above. Okay, just like your if you are belonging PWBD candidate, SC ST candidate, Divyangjan, so you all are eligible. Nationality requirement, Indian national can apply also, only Indian national can apply. Okay, so these are important details. Cadre and authority declaration for NOC. If you are working in the other department, then you have to produce your NOC certificate. Application fee and mode of payment. General, OBC, EWS and EWS male candidate are required to pay a non-refundable, non-transferable application fee of ₹100. Okay, and there is no application fee for SC, ST, Divyangjan and women candidate. So if you are belonging SC, General, OBC and EWS, then you have to pay only ₹100. Okay, and administrative, here it is mentioned screening or shortlisting. Screening received application will be carried out at multiple stages, including first is administrative screening and second is technical screening. Okay, and as per the biodata based technical screening at level 1 by adopting one or more than the following method. Here it is given for your according the technical screening. And predefined ratio for candidate to be called for preliminary online interview. For one post up to 24 candidate only, and for 2 post 48 candidate will call for the interview, online interview. Okay, and called for the final personal interview for 1 post 12 candidates, and for 2 post 24 candidates will call for the interview, final interview. RAC reserve the right to modify the screening or shortlisting procedure depending upon the availability or suitable candidate. Okay, so these are details. Selection process, let's see. The final selection of candidate will be purely on the basis of merit of marks scored by the candidate in the final interview only. For all vacancies, the candidate must score a minimum of 75 marks out of 100 in the final personal interview. For consideration for selection, the intimation or interview schedule for the same will be provided through RAC website. So you have to visit RAC website regularly to see all details about these important vacancies. Liability closing date, as you know, date 19th of June 2026, and all important general instructions for you here given. checklist or important documents to be uploaded. These are important documents just like your DOB, proof, your 10th certificate, matriculation certificate, scanned sample of the candidate signature, photograph in this important size 30 KB, not exceeding 30 KB, and your essential qualification, NOC certificate, CCA declaration, okay, all experience certificate, caste certificate, release of certificate, and fee has been paid by you if you are belonging, you are OBC and EWS candidate. So these are important certificate you have to be required at the time duration of your applying this form. Retained a printout of all finally submitted online application, and these are caution and contact details are given. If you need any suggestion, if you need any help, then contact in this number and mail at this important domain. So this is the detailed PDF uploaded by the DRDO. If you are interested, if you are eligible, then apply for the post of Scientist E, Scientist D and Scientist C group. Okay. So this is the end of this video. We will meet in next video. So tata, bye bye, Jai Hind to all of you.